Riki-chan! Hi! Nani Gaski? Ano oras na lang? 12:07 na. First time namin sasakay sa Jetstar. 14,357 each.
But the base was only 9,900.
Kasi may food na rin.
So that 14,000 has food, baggage,
And balikan pa.
and choosies.
Oh! Wait, sinabi ko ba papunta tayong Japan? Mag-stay kami ulit with Dad para tipid sa, ang tawag dun? Lodging fee. Kung natin mo nga, tawagin mo Dad.
Sige.
Nakakatawa kapag pupunta kami sa Japan, mag-chat si Dad sa mama ko. Huy! Menchi, kinakabahan ako. Magpapaalam na ba si Noah sa akin? Ang OA niya. Feeling niya, si Noah sa kanya magpo-propose.
He's into me. Tung-tung-tung-tung sahur. Who's your favorite Italian brain rot character? Comment down below.
Oo, 6F. Ikaw? Mag-edit ako ha.
電波を発する機器はどうぞご使用いただけません。
お待たせいたしました。おつまありがとうございます。お客様にお願い申し上げます。走行中大変危険な物急ブレーキかける場合もございます。
He's into me.
Maliit talaga yan. Mas small kasi.
Ne, Mami, I am small.
So, the last time you get it's so big.
Wait, what did I get last time?
M size, then it's big.
No way!
When I'm working, it's coming down.
Wow! Plus fish crackers.
Wow!
More butter.
Oh
Oh my God! Yung request
Oh
mo.
wow, so yummy.
Brick-Brabil! Ito yung pasalubong ko kay Dad. Ni-request niya. Nine mango. Our first day in Japan started pagkalapag namin. We arrived at Dad's house in Adachi ng mga 9 a.m. Tapos naggala kami agad.
Kanina pa ako utot ng utot.
Oh my God.
Riki-chan!
Hi.
Nani Gaski? We got lunch, then nag-LBM ako kasi naka-apat yata ako nakape in the past 12 hours. Ang sakit pa pala ng puwet ko. Kasi nag-LBM ako. Ang sakit. 1 na lang kaya, Dad?
Lalong magaan siya. So,
Edi bigatan ko.
Yan 3 yan.
Yan.
Pero mabilis yan 3 ha.
Mabilis? Tapos nag-bike kami around the neighborhood. I love biking in Japan. We went to Traffac or Treasure Factory, a second-hand store na nagbebenta ng clothes, luxury items, gadgets, at marami pang iba, guys. Sabi ni Dad, sobrang laki ng second-hand market dito sa Japan kasi mahirap daw mag-dispose ng mga gamit and important daw talaga sa kanila ang sustainability. Authentic din daw lahat ng mga items dito. Next stop, a hobby shop na malapit lang din sa bahay nila Dad. Parang first date nila, oh. Gusto pa namin mag-bike around, so sabi ni Dad, try daw namin dumaan sa tunnel. Sounds scary, pero sobrang fun. Tapos muntik pa ma-injure yung isa dyan, oh. Namangga daw siya sa wall.
Paan niya?
Alin paa mo?
Yung arm ko. That's going faster.
Hello, no.
Okay, let's go back na.
Na-excite ako eh. Sabi ko, try ko kaya mag-drift. Ay.
Count 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3.
Tatay sa magician.
Nag-ready na daw pag nagka-apo siya.
Uy!
Kuya JD! Kuya JD, baka naman. Bigyan mo ng apo.
Kuya, baka naman wag mo naman sayangin yung sperm mo.
After resting for a bit, nag-dinner kami sa isang family restaurant, got ramen and gyoza, and that's it for our first day in Tokyo. anniversary namin today. The plan today is mag-aquarium. Ay, ang init. Dala-dala pa ako leather jacket, no? Medyo mahangin naman. Maaraw lang talaga ngayon. Walking na kami to the train station. Nasa nakabisado namin. Hindi namin kasama si Dad ngayon. Ayun, dito. Sabi ko kasi kami, dress up kasi anib naman. Tapos ang init. Eto, pawis na.
The wind is cold, but the sun is super hot.
Pero, I don't feel mabaho.
Yeah, that's the difference here.
We have to walk papuntang station kasi nasa residential part kami ng city.
We can always be together when I'm craving for your touch. All I need is a little nudge from you. Even after time goes by, all I know is I know I miss and wish you were here. Come close to me, I'll be the one to grant you a peaceful sleep. It's you and me, we'll be together.
Did you enjoy?
I love aquariums. If you have any aquarium suggestions, comment down below.
After the aquarium, nagala pa kami sa Sunshine City. We saw a Sesame Street store, super cute, and may cafe sa loob. Tapos we went to the One Piece store. Bumili si Noah ng book or magazine pala. And syempre, dumaan din kami sa Pokemon Center. As usual, maraming tao. Got some stuff din sa Nico End. Tapos ang random, nakanood kami ng isang Japanese boy group. Anong nasa mukha mo?
Kulangot.
Sabi ni Noah, we're gonna have a relaxing anniversary day thingy.
It was relaxing for me.
Pero kasi napagod ako agad. Sabi ko, huy, pangalawang araw pa lang natin sa Japan, sinasagad na natin. 10 days or 11 days tayo dito.
We had a late lunch. We woke up late. We went
Hindi
to
naman
the
sobrang
aquarium.
late. But our biyahe to our lunch was a lot of walking pa rin. And then nag-aquarium tayo, walking din.
And then we went to 2 shops.
2 shops lang.
No, we went to the mall. And then 2 shops.
Ang dami kasi namin nalibot. Yun naman kasi yung favorite namin gawin together, I think.
It was like 16,000 steps.
Sheesh.
Not bad. Last year we did like 20 plus. I think we had a day na 23,000.
Oo, tapos sobrang tantrums ko.
Yeah.
Sabi ko kasi, ayoko mag-tantrums kahapon. Kaso, yung end of the day, grabe.
Nag-tantrum siya.
Akala ko hindi ako magta-tantrums. Tapos grabe talaga, namagayong pa ako eh. Ikaw kasi naka-on ka. Ako naka-New Balance na hindi naman running or walking shoe.
Jan,
Hi!
Nani Katsuki.
Oh my God, video from Mama, si Carrot.
For sure, ball. Get the ball. Get the ball.
Carrot, I miss you.
Iyak muna kami bago matulog. Bye-bye.
Yes, minasay.
Yay! Thank you. I like this.
Oh my gosh. Wow! Check ne?
Going to Asakusa cosplay.
Costume party.
Cosplay.
Oh my god! Parang millennial ko doon. Costume party. Not sure if kimono or yukata. Oh, I miss Carrot. Alala nyo, sinabi namin ni Noah, super init nung anniversary day namin. Ngayon naman malamig. Kagabi nung nag-yakitori kami, super lamig, naka-shorts pa ako.
Ako, crop top.
Ngayon, naka-jacket kami. Kasi malamig daw today. Tanghali ngayon, 21 degrees. Nabili ko to sa 7-Eleven. Try natin. Daming tao. Punta kami sa temple. Grabe guys!
Lahat sila nakaganto.
May bumaril sa akin. Buhay pa rin ako ngayon. Yung kay Noah hindi makapal. Sabi natin, hindi tayo magiging turista.
You put your 100 yen here while praying for your wish. If it's a good fortune, you take it home. If it's a bad fortune, you leave it here. 71.
How do you know if it's good fortune?
This is a bad fortune.
Oh, it's a bad fortune. Ready?
Go.
Oh my god! Excellent good fortune! How's your yukata or kimono experience?
Fun. But I think if it was a hot day,
Tantrums.
besides what? So easy.
Ang sakit na ng paa ko.
Since it's still early, we're gonna try thrifting today in Shimokitazawa.
Kaya masaya siya.
And maybe find the cute cafes.
Medyo nalito-lito kami ng onte sa train. Pero andito na kami ngayon sa Shimokitazawa.
It's supposed to be a hipster area, but it became a thrifting area.
Oo nga, pagbaba natin, meron agad. Ayan o, thrifting agad. Gusto ko rin ng tubig.
What
Si
kind of
Noah
food?
sabi niya, hine-headache daw siya. Feeling ko, dehydrated lang siya. Tabi-tabi ukay dito, guys.
The cheapest nice ones are 2nd Street and Trefa. If you wanna thrift in Japan, this is the place to be. But try to go earlier, because last time at night, I couldn't see much of the clothes.
Tapos, magpo-close na rin.
Falling down, facing up, stare at the sky, I'm losing sight. Don't wanna think about the day. It's back on the wheel, we're driving it down. So lost in your own mind, looking for an easy way out. So call me if you need me right now. Call me if you wanna know how. Call me if you want me around. Call me if you need me. Call me if you need me. Here's my number 0917. Feeling lonely, give us all another listen. Call me when you want a good time, bad time, anytime, it's fine. Just keep talking, blah blah blah. You're so funny, ha ha ha. Got me singing la la la. You don't wanna call me, you can leave me a message. Right now. Call me.
morning!
Hello.
Oh my God, day 5 na tayo. Papunta kami ngayon sa Tokyo Flea Market.
It's far though.
Pero yun ang highlight of Noah's trip. Sana may mabili ka today. Kahapon kasi sa Shimokitazawa, wala siyang nabili. Ako naman parang 2 items ang nabili ko. Himala!
The vibes were nice.
Parang best vibes so far.
Yeah.
Shimokitazawa.
If I lived in Japan, I'd live there.
Pero mukhang mahal doon.
Yeah.
May nakita kaming guy bumili ng guitar. Daming tao!
Super nice.
Ang galing, nasa napag lang yung iba. Grabe, Nos! Ang dami!
Oh my gosh, I have to leave.
Ako din, naiihi pa ako. Wala yata ihian dito. Tapos di kami nag-withdraw, baliw. Binili namin si Dad and Now ng Smisky!
Okay, let's open now. Oh no!
Oh, what's that? Oh, it's a sign! You need to make a baby! Cute! Are they glow in the dark? Late na kami nakalabas today kasi grabe super pagod. Grabe, tulog lang maghapon. So ngayon, punta kami sa Ueno. Ang cute, naglalaro sila ng baseball Sunday afternoon bago sila pumasok ng Monday.
Mixed gender.
Baseball to? Finally, napagod na rin sila, Owa.
Hindi ako pagod.
Injured pala. So, naka-flats ako kahapon. And bad choice pala yon kasi kahit walking flats siya, yung Vivaya, parang hindi kaya ng long distance walking. Tapos kapag naglalakad ka sa mga lubak-lubak, mafe-feel mo na nagbe-bend yung paa mo. So, masakit. Fit check. Nabili ko to kahapon sa Tokyo Flea Market. Once again, nagpa-laundry kami dito sa Japan. Hindi ako masyadong nagdala ng damit. 1,400 yen for 20 kilos. 80 minutes namin naantayan. So, magba-bike around muna kami. Saan punta?
Dito pa. Yeah, I got it.
You put everything on fold.
Yeah. Oh, it's hot. It's legit hot.
Kaya nga.
Ow!
Ang init!
Oh, it's super hot now.
Napaso! Yak, may mask! Kadiri!
That's not me.
Wow, tignan mo yung shirt mo.
Is it ganda?
Parang pinlansya.
Ito
What
yun.
the?
Mga white tinted lang.
Depende sa tela pala.
So pag cotton siya, ganito.
Pangit mo magtupi.
Okay. Init! Fuck, the zippers are hot.
Ito yata yung tumutunog yung zipper.
I don't think we need to fold.
Hindi ang init.
Madami pa dyan.
Okay. May parang pa dun?
Just like half or less than half.
Oh my gosh.
The bags are smooth.
Oo nga eh. Yung bra ko din hindi nasira. Gosh.
Halatang ano, we don't work in laundry.
What makes you happy? Nice laundry. Pinapagsama ko na.
Oh, this is nice. Is that mine? Yours?
Ours, I think. Yan yung sa race course. Ikaw naman main vlogger. Visual lang ako sa gilid.
Okay.
Aray ko. Guys, naka-running shoes na ako. Pero di ko binili ha. Binaon ko to. A6 gel ka yan. Where are we going?
Today, we're going to Shibuya. We're not gonna go thrifting anymore today.
Nasa list namin. Dahil kami sa Salomon, Patagonia, and on.
It's currently 12 o'clock.
Hindi
Almost.
pa. 11:39 OA mo. 2 a.m. kami naka-uwi from the laundry. Ito yung hat na binili ko. Gutom na ako. Nagkulo yun dyan ko. Grabe talaga yung meal namin kahapon.
We're gonna look for another one.
Super sarap.
You like it
Gusto
here?
mo? Gusto ko i-try. Oh, malambot, love. Ay, parang kaldereta. Sarap.
Here we go.
Bawal mag-video sa loob ng Patagonia. Pero nag-shopping spree siya. Ito, gift ko sa kanya. Anniversary gift. Kasi inarbor ko yung black niya. Tote bag. Gagawin niyang gym bag. The free stickers.
It's cute.
Would you say that Patagonia is your #1 brand? You look so happy. Sabi niya, pwede na ako umuwi.
Uwi na tayo.
Happy birthday.
Thank you. May
So,
ganito
black yung tote. And then, ito parang navy blue or gray.
or gray.
Bluish gray. Patagonia in Shibuya. Ang saya ni Tutoy. Punta naman kami sa Salomon. Sana makabili ako ng shoes. Gusto ko yung black na may silver thingy.
Giant.
Woo! Giant Salomon.
You like that color?
Margiela collab. Ito, ang ganda nito. The black one.
Or dito ko store.
Wala akong size, guys. Wait lang. Ito ang suot kong A639. Ayan. Ayan.
Pamela Swing, Salomon era. Show them, show them.
Shopping day na malala. Okay lang, sumweldo ako. Okay, pag-uwi, mag-hike tayo. Salomon is for hiking.
Wala ng hat nila, love.
Nung nalaman mong tax fee, bibili ka na. Nandito na naman kami sa Nico and may ganito naman sa Pinas. Pero malayo kami sa MOA. MOA yung branch sa Pinas, diba? Ang cute nito. Hindi ko alam kung same itsura ng store sa Pinas and Japan. Pero tingnan nyo. I need to wee-wee. I'm Donut? I'm Donut? Ito na yung Yoyogi Park. Makakailang steps kaya kami today. Ilan na lab?
I'm not gonna tell you.
Ang daming dogs. Magdo-dog watch lang talaga kami dito. Ito, Vendo. Tara. Uhaw na rin ako eh. Sarap to. Share na lang tayo sa isa. Thank you. Bagay.
Kawaii. This is by now, me.
Woo! Pati ito, and ito.
She made all of this. It's so nice.
Then,
Nice. Nag-goal teammate natin.
siya.
Konnichiwa, minasan.
Ohayo gozaimasu. Yes.
Ohayo. 1:23 na, boy.
Magandang hapon gozaimasu.
Wednesday na, and I think exciting itong araw na to. Because
We're gonna try indoor cycling.
in Japan.
We booked 2 classes. Tokyo Cycle. It's on ClassPass. It's a little far from here. Maybe an hour and a half.
Pero malapit siya sa Nakano.
Yeah. It's like Akihabara but for
the
locals.
locals.
So cheaper.
Dapat sa Feel Cycle talaga kami mag-book. Pero parang ang hirap. Japanese yung website. Tapos
Need a Japanese number.
eh, may class pass naman. Tapos maganda yung reviews. So, doon kami mag-cycle sa Tokyo. Cute ng outfit ko. Ito yung nabili ko sa Nico and shorts from Shein. Ito yung nabili ko sa Salomon. 55PH. Salamat po.
Nike. Uniqlo. On.
And Patagonia bag. Maaraw today! Wow, ang init talaga. Hindi ako naka-long sleeve today, oh. So, we started our day at Nakano with curry. Quick lunch lang. Tapos, we walked around to look for matcha. And then, nakita namin tong Butter Cafe. Grabe, ang ganda ng pagka-green ng matcha. Tumambay kami dito for a while. Tapos, nag-explore na kami sa Nakano Broadway.
The next station is Ogikubo JP4.
Dito na kami! Oh my God! I'm so excited. Di kayo naka-headset? What? For our last full day in Tokyo, bumalik kami sa Shimokitazawa. It's probably our favorite area na napuntahan namin this trip. Very artsy and chill yung vibe dito. Tapos we met up with my stepsister Rachel and her husband Daichi. Then the next morning, bumiyahe na kami agad papuntang airport. And ayun, uwi na tayo guys! Sobrang miss na namin si Carrot.